Hello guys, welcome to another section of learning with Prepclass. I am tutor Chima. Now in today's section, we are going to continue from where we stopped. In the last section, we looked at this Jamb Biology 2015 and we solved questions 1 to 5. So in today's section, we will continue by solving questions 6 to 10. I believe you enjoyed the last section. Please, if you didn't see the last section, you've missed. Go through our channel and you see not only the last video we did on this section, but on other years of past questions which we've solved: chemistry, biology, physics, and many others. So guys, before we proceed with today's section, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can pause the video and quickly click the subscription button, like our videos. We also appreciate it if you share our videos so it will reach as much viewers as possible. You're free to use the comment section to drop 1 or 2 questions. Now, when you look below there, you see a notification bell. Click that bell and activate it. Once your notification bell is activated, you'll be the first to be notified whenever we have an educational content like this on our channel. The notification bell will act as a reminder to call you. Hello, you have a new video. Click it, watch it, get educated, and keep learning. All right. So today, like I said, we are going to be looking at questions 6 to 10. So without wasting your time, let us rush through those questions. Question 6 says, the mangrove swamp in Nigeria is restricted to the mangrove swamp in Nigeria is restricted to the A, is it Sahel savanna? B, is it Guinea savanna? C, is it tropical rainforest? D, is it Sudan savanna? Where can you find the mangrove swamp in Nigeria? Note the word swamp. Swamp. Now, the answer to this question is tropical rainforest. This is because the tropical rainforest experiences more rainfall than the other areas. If you look at the other areas, there are more of grasses in these areas than trees. That's Sahel savanna, Guinea savanna, and Sudan savanna. But we mentioned the word rainforest. So of course, where that will have, or where you are going to experience a swampy area, must be an area that has much more rainfall. So that's why the correct answer there is tropical rainforest. And your answer is option C. So option C is the correct answer, tropical rainforest. Question number 7. The pancreas secretes enzymes for the digestion of. The pancreas secretes enzymes for the digestion of A, is it fats, proteins, and carbohydrates? B, is it fats, vitamins, and cellulose? C, is it fats, carbohydrate, and vitamins? D, is it proteins, cellulose, and vitamins? What enzymes does the pancreas secrete, and what can it digest among all these they have mentioned? Let us see. Now, I said the pancreas secretes 3 types of enzymes, or 3 enzymes. These are amylase, trypsin, and lipase. These are the 3 enzymes produced by the pancreas: amylase, trypsin, and lipase. Amylase converts carbohydrates such as starch to maltose and maltose to glucose. That's the function of amylase. So it is a carbohydrate enzyme. It converts some starch to maltose and maybe some maltose that are present towards glucose. Trypsin acts on proteins. It converts proteins to peptones and polypeptides. Lipase, from the word lipids, lipase acts on fats and oil, that's lipids, and it converts them into carboxylic acid and glycerol. So therefore, what the enzymes secreted by the pancreas can digest carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and oil. So the correct answer is what? Option A, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Those are the enzymes that the pancreas produce, can work on. Fats, which is lipase, proteins, fats, which is lipase, proteins, trypsin, and carbohydrates, amylase. Question number 8. The causative agent of bird flu is A. The causative agent of bird flu is A. Is it a protozoa? Is it a virus? Is it a bacterium? Is it a fungus? What's the causative organism of the bird flu. Bird flu is a kind of influenza virus, a highly contagious viral infection of the respiratory passage causing fever, severe ache and catarrh. Bird flu is caused by two strains of viruses, which are the H5N1 and the H7N9 virus. So what actually causes bird flu is a virus. So bird flu is caused by a virus. So the correct answer is virus. Virus causes what? The bird flu, the agent that causes bird flu is a virus. It's a virus. 9. A water medium is necessary for fertilization in. A water medium is necessary for fertilization in. Is it conifers? Is it angiosperms? Is it ferns? Is it fungi? A water medium is necessary for fertilization in. Is it conifers? Is it angiosperms? Is it ferns? Is it fungi? Conifers. So conifers are angiosperms. Let's look at each of them critically. Then we'll know which one requires a water medium for fertilization. So the first option there is conifers. So conifers are gymnosperms. They are cone-bearing seed plants with vascular tissue. All living conifers are woody plants and most are trees. We have two types of advanced plants. We have the gymnosperms and the angiosperms. I think they belong to the group we call spermatophyta. Gymnosperms and the angiosperms. Gymnosperms are the ones that have naked seeds, and angiosperms are the ones that have what covered seed as a flowering plant. So conifers are actually gymnosperms, so they don't require a water medium for fertilization. Angiosperms. Angiosperms are plants, or is a plant of a large group that comprises those that have flowers and produce seeds enclosed within a pericarp or within a carpel, including herbaceous plants, shrubs, grasses, and most trees. So mango, orange, the common trees we see around, and some other herbaceous plants like hibiscus flower, okra, vegetable, and the rest are all angiosperms. Are you following? Good. Ferns. Ferns are non-flowering vascular plants that possess true root stems and complex leaves that produce what? Spores. The spores later develop to gametophytes that produce what? Motile sperms and non-motile eggs. The sperms need a watery medium to swim to the eggs. Have you seen that? The sperms in the ferns need a watery medium to swim to the egg. So I believe we've seen our answer, because they're asking us the one whose fertilization requires a water medium. Fungi. What are fungi? Fungi are saprophytic organisms that feed on dead remains of plants and animals and their waste and bring about decomposition. They reproduce by spore formation and not that watery medium type. So examples of fungi include mushroom, yeast, and molds. They are much more simple than plants. So out of all the options, the ones that require a water medium for fertilization are the ferns, because the sperms need a water medium to swim to the egg. So the correct answer is ferns. Ferns require a water medium for fertilization. I believe you understand that. Good. Now let us look at question number 10. An example of sex-linked traits is the is the color of the skin in humans? Is the ability to roll the tongue? Is it possession of facial hair in adult human? Is the ability to grow long hair in female? Which of them is an example of a sex-linked trait? Sex-linked traits are traits that are found on either one of the chromosomes. Sex-linked traits are traits that are found on either one of the chromosomes that determine sex or the sex chromosomes. So some of the most familiar sex-linked traits are hemophilia. That is the problem of this bleeding, excessive bleeding. Hemophilia. Red or green color blindness, that's color blindness, night blindness, and some high blood pressure genes. So when you talk about sex-linked traits, it falls under these four categories. Most commonly, they include hemophilia and color blindness. These two are the most common sex-linked traits, hemophilia and color blindness. That's color blindness for red and green. but also others can be night blindness and blood pressure genes. You see that none of this is here. Hemophilia is not here. Night blindness is not here. No hemophilia, no night blindness, no high blood pressure, no color blindness. So I said no option or no correct option. No option is correct or no correct option. Examples of sex-linked traits are color blindness, hemophilia, night blindness, and some high blood pressure genes, and some high blood pressure genes. So option A has no correct option. All right. So guys, we've come to the end of today's section of Learning with Prepclass. We'll look at past questions on biology Jamb for the year 2015. We solved questions 6 to 10. Now if you look here, you'll notice that we've dropped you a link, bit.ly/prepclass WhatsApp. Type this link on your browser. When you do so, it will take you straight to our WhatsApp group. When you join us on our WhatsApp group, you're getting updates, you're getting infos on the latest content we have on our channel. I believe you enjoyed today's section. I believe you learned one or two things. It was indeed an educative and an interesting one. I hope you see the next video for continuity. I still remain Tutor Chima. Bye.